Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Hytale. While installing, you got an install error with error applying update. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, you need to click on Start menu and type in Control Panel to open it. Now in Control Panel, click on the option Date and Time. Now click on Internet Time and choose the option Change Settings. Now under the server, from a drop down list, if time.google.com is available, you need to choose that particular time.google.com and then click on the option Update Now. After doing so, hit the OK button. And to make sure the time is properly updated, you need to open up Settings menu, click on Time and Language and choose Date and Time. Right over here also, you need to click on the option Sync Now to sync your Windows time with your system. After doing so, try to reinstall the game and the issue will be fixed. If this failed to work out, right click on Start menu, choose the option Run, type here ncpa.cpl and then hit the Enter key. Now whichever your Wi-Fi is, right click and go to its properties. Here scroll down and you will find the option of TCP/IP v6. You need to uncheck this particular option. Hit the OK button, then close it and then try to re-download or reinstall the Hytale game and the issue of install error applying update will be completely fixed. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.